Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng opinion, reaction itong post ni Teo Moreno, arang open letter niya kay Romnick Sarmiento, isang Laos na aktor na pilit nagpapapansin, trying to be relevant at nakisawsaw sa impeachment ni BP Sara. Okay, unahin muna natin yung pahayag ni Romnick Sarmiento tungkol sa impeachment. Ito, inosente pero 16 ang kinuhang abogado. Grabe, no? Nagalit si Teo Moreno. So ito yung open letter ni Teo Moreno kay Dear Romnick Sarmiento. I understand that your popularity as an actor has faded. After all, you're no longer a relevant figure in today's entertainment industry. A new wave of fresh and talented individuals has taken the spotlight. What's harder to understand, though, is that even after transitioning into a college lecturer, wow, your logical reasoning still leaves much to be desired. So, instructor pala ito. Dapat mag-isip ng mas malalim bago magsalita. Let's take your recent comment as an example. You seem to think that the number of lawyers representing someone implies guilt. Kasi sabi niya, yung inosente ka, bakit ang dami ng abogado mo? 16, parang ganun. Ibig sabihin pala, kung wala kang abogado, inosente ka. Di ba ganun? The logic is deeply flawed. There is no rule or legal principle. By the way, itong si Teo Moreno, nag-aral ito ng law. Kaya magaling siya ng mga ganito. There is no rule or legal principle that limits the number of lawyers one can hire in an impeachment case or any case, for that matter. The number of lawyers has nothing to do with whether someone is guilty or not. O, di ba klaro kayo? Simple. By your reasoning, if Vice President Inday Sara Duterte is guilty because she has a strong legal team, then doesn't that mean the prosecution, which also includes several lawyers and support staff, is unsure of its own case? Ibig sabihin, mahina ang impeachment dahil kakaunti ang abogado sa... Ilan lang abogado? Wala pang kalahati ata o kalahati. So 11 sila. Sabihin mo na lang 6 ang abogado nila. Di talon-talo sila. 16 versus 6. Sino bang abogado doon? Okay. Luestro, Acop. Sino pa ba? Kakaunti ata ang abogado eh. Nakalimutan ko yung iba. That's the problem with weak arguments. They fall short. They fall apart when you apply the same standard both ways. Shame on you, sabi niya. So, nakatikim siya ngayon. Oh. Magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Okay. Si Senator-elect Ping Lacson, nagbigay siya ng comment. Very, very impressed si Senator Ping Lacson sa abogada ni BP Sara, yung Forto Narbasa Zalazar. Ano na yan? Well known na yan. At sabi ni Ping Lacson, impress siya, nag-advise na siya sa prosecution to prepare their case dahil talagang batikang mga abogado ang kinuha ni BP Sara. Combination ng veterans and new blood. Ganon, may mga bata, may mga ano na. Okay, comments. Having a team with strong strategic thinkers is more beneficial than relying solely on traditional mindset. This is likely why Romnick has lost his popularity. He appears to be stuck in an outdated way of thinking. While it is important to have individuals who can defend BP Sara, it's equally crucial to have a team members who think critically. Then Cyril, it's like a war. The more soldiers, the better, especially if they are skilled. It's an advantage. Okay, sa rule sa sa defense and offense, paghandaan mo yung kalaban mo. Kung ang estimate is 100, i-times 3, i-times 4 mo yung puwersa mo to ensure victory. Ganun yun. Do not underestimate your opponent. Ganyan ang ginagawa nga ni BP Sara when it comes sa kanyang legal team. Nag-assemble siya talaga ng Remember, ang husband ni BP Sara is into the law practice. So, mga kumpanyero niyang mga yan. Father-in-law ni BP Sara nasa law practice, kaya madali sa kanila mag-assemble ng ganyang dekalidad na mga abogado. Lee Brian Magsino, while 16 lawyers might seem excessive, it reflects the multifaceted nature of an impeachment case, which often blends complex legal arguments with intense political scrutiny. A diverse team of specialists allows for a comprehensive and agile defense. Christy CL, a 16-member legal team gives BP Sara a tactical edge, offering deep expertise, faster response, broader defense, and political clout in navigating both legal and political pressures of impeachment. That's why two heads are better than one. MC Eclipse, Dear Romnick, this kind of comment is a turn off for me. Ganyan talaga ang dapat. It only means BP Sara do not want to miss a thing. In all details, all aspects, 16 heads of legal team, 16 intelligent people means power. Yeah. So, nakakabilib po ang ating BP Inday Sara. Kaya she wants bloodbath. Naka-ready yung 16 bloodbath lawyers niya. Okay, pagpasensyahan na lang natin si Romnick Sarmienta. Nagpapapansin lang dahil laos na. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong talandig ng Bukidnon. Ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong natin sa tribo. Sa ngayon, namimigay tayo ng mga yero at pako para makapagpatayo ng mas maayos na tirahan ang tribong talandig. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Muna ni ang atop sa balog na among tangtangon. Among ubon kay magpatukod siya o bagong balay. Muna ni ang iyang kahintang nani diri siya tulog.
Balay nga, naman kaya.
Gabok na.
Kaya naman tayo, kakawari naman kita. Kapulog naman kita.
Bisan gani ang salog ni Auntie. Nagit.
Alam yan?
Kata nagit kaayo.
Ini kata ada apa? Ini ang kukulan kaki. Ayon. Kalay sa palo, sinupit sa ang atop. Ang ayon, ano ba baguhan yang balay? Coba ada sebelah lagi,
So na ay gabungkag naapod ka kuan og tukod, patindog og tukod.
Thank you, salamat yun. Kaya nilisan ning ko na nga balik tayo mo balay.
Kini ang gabungkag sa balay sa balo nga og kini pod sila ang gapatindog og bagong balay.